Pricing is a core part of any SaaS product. However, many SaaS pricing components are built with a limited structure. They often support only a small number of sliders, fixed pricing rules, and a limited set of add-on options. As a result, users may not clearly understand how the final price is calculated. This component is designed to handle more complex pricing scenarios. This is the SaaS Pricing Tool. The component includes 3 configurable sliders and up to 5 add-ons. Each slider and add-on contributes to the final price calculation in real time. The pricing logic is implemented using React. From the user's perspective, all configuration is handled through the Framer right-side properties panel. No custom code, overrides, or scripts are required. Each slider is fully configurable. You can define its label, value range, and pricing impact. The component also supports inverse pricing logic. With inverse logic enabled, increasing a slider value can decrease the total price instead of increasing it. This can be used for pricing models such as bulk discounts, longer contract durations, or delivery timelines where faster turnaround increases cost. All visual elements of the component are editable. This includes font styles, text colors, background accents, and layout spacing. Every element in the component is clearly labeled in the Properties panel. Titles, labels, and values can be adjusted independently. This allows the component to be adapted to different pricing models and visual styles without modifying any code.